Wait. I need to go over there to get a capture. I can't just. Whoa, what's that? What's that, guys? Daddy, you cannot believe what I just saw.
What? Why you get wet?
I saw a red bird.
A red bird?
Yeah.
A red robin? Who let you? Why you in the backyard?
I was trying to
get wet.
No. I was trying to show all my kids, all my subscribers and this board, this new board I found. And there was a blue robin. It was making that twit sound. It's making that sound. Can't scare them, guys. See that board right now? The board is smooth. That board was smooth. Oh, look. Daddy, it's not backyard. Wait.